My name is David Ogunmoye from Okitipupa government. I'm a SSC holder, right? After that, I proceed to learn auxiliary nurse, and I would like to move forward. That is why I'm here to ask you a little bit, so that I can hear something. We are producing ethanol. We make use of cassava, dry with a fresh one. I'm working as a co-worker. According to what they are producing, they really try. We learn a lot of things from there. We gain a lot of things. How to mix cassava together to become ethanol. From smashing to saccharification, and saccharification to fermentation and distillation. Èyí tí mo rí gádà nígbà tí mo dé báyìí, wọ́n really impress me gan because mo kàn ní kí n wá báyìí ní wá yọ̀ọ̀zù dẹ̀, but mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ilé tí mo rí náà ó assist me gan, and the state governor wa náà ó try. Ó iṣẹ́ ló ṣe because tí industry ò bá sí níbí báyìí náà, a lot of things dey happen because àwa náà á benefit níbẹ̀. A dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ because life lọ normal.